Before I even started writing this script, I made a dua. I asked Allah to send this video to the one who's tired, the one who's about to give up. If that's you, then no, this is not a coincidence. You were meant to hear this. Allah brought you here. You might feel like your du'as are not being answered. You've tried, you've cried, and now you're just tired. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Right before your du'a is answered, things often feel the hardest. That's not the end. That's a sign you're close. In the Quran, Allah says, "Indeed, mankind was created impatient." Surah Al-Isra. We want things fast. When something bad happens, we panic. When good comes, we become stingy. This emotional roller coaster blocks us from seeing the blessings already around us. Your panic shows you don't fully believe the unseen is more real than the seen. Your impatience shows you haven't surrendered to Allah yet, and your fear shows you trust the problem more than the one who can solve it. You may be asking Allah for peace, love, healing, or direction. But if your heart is full of fear and expectation, how can His light enter? Remember, Allah doesn't change the condition of people until they change what's within themselves. Quran 13:11. This isn't about working harder. It's about letting go, really letting go. Not of the dua, but of the stress, the timelines, and the need to control everything. Sometimes the moment you say, "I give up," is actually the moment you surrender. And in surrender, your heart becomes soft. That's when Allah begins to move things for you, not because you pushed harder, but because you finally stepped aside and trusted Him. So today, don't give up on your dua. Give up on the version of you that thinks it'll never happen. Start becoming the person who already trusts that Allah said yes. If this touched your heart, leave comment. Share your favorite dua. Someone else might need it too. Jazakallah khair and Allah Hafiz.